good day, beautiful investors. It's another day on site. We brought some clients for inspection and we are currently fixing the linking bridge at the moment. This is the linking bridge that links Bluestone TreasureEstate to the already existing interlocking road we have over there, just coming down. So we already have the tractor available on site, and you can see we're already linking this bridge. So soon we will be driving through, so no more stopping at this portion before we get to site. We'll be driving through very soon. So that's the level of development at the moment. We're pleased to inform you that it is really progressing very fast. So now you'll be having double volume security. The first one is at the main entrance gate that is directly facing the Ofada expressway, while you drive through in an interlocking road down to this point, and then you can now access where we are having a very beautiful 3-bedroom fully detached bungalows as well as plot of land that will be going on. I'll be giving you more updates as we take clients around for inspection. Stay tuned. My name remains Peter Odiakose. I'll be pleased to bring you more updates. Stay tuned. Yeah, good day, lovely people. Another inspection. I brought some clients for inspection, and then after checking, they made their choice. And in terms of further development, these units you are seeing behind me are also rapidly taking shape. Rapidly. So in this location, you can have a plot of land for those who want a plot of land and to build on their own, like some other persons who bought a plot of land and build on their own. A full plot of land measuring 600 square meters, that is 60 feet by 100 feet, which is just like you are seeing now. This one portion before that building goes for 5 million naira in this location. 5 million naira. We do have a payment plan that can enable you to spread your payments up to 24 months. Come in with an initial deposit of 500,000 naira or more, and then you spread your balance. Then again, if you want a 3-bedroom, like the 3-bedrooms I just showed you the other time, fully detached, built on 300 square meters, that goes for 15 million naira. 15 million naira. Again, you can come in with an initial deposit of 2.5 million, and then you spread your balance conveniently for you for 2 years. That's 24 months. Interest-free payment plan. We'd love to have you on board. We'll also have you among the future landlords in this location. So do call the numbers on your screen. My name remains Peter Odiakose. I'll be glad to help you out with the process. Bye bye. Thank you.